Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Tabby to book a flight. First, open your web browser and go to a website that supports Tabby as a payment method. One example is Alternative Airlines. There are also other websites like Akbar Travels, Almatar, and Almasafar. Once you are on the website, start by searching for your flight. Enter your departure city and your destination city. Then choose your travel dates and select the number of passengers. After entering all the details, click on the search button to view the available flights. When you find the flight that matches your needs, select it. Next, proceed to checkout. Enter the passenger information, including full name, date of birth, and contact details. Now go to the payment section. You will see different payment methods. Look for Tabby in the list and select it as your payment option. Confirm your selection. After selecting Tabby, you will be redirected to log into your Tabby account and verify your details. In most cases, you will pay 25% of the total amount upfront at this stage. The remaining 75% will be split into 3 equal monthly installments. You will see the payment schedule clearly before you confirm. Complete the payment using your Tabby account. Once the payment is successful, you will receive your booking confirmation. Thanks for watching.